Now, welcome back to the channel. So do you want to see the heaviest TV in the whole entire world? If so, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Now, who am I? I'm Mr. Matthew Vick, your favorite local neighborhood junk hauler. And who do I have beside me? My right-hand man, the Julio De Niro, aka the Baby Maker.
Hey guys, doing today? It's a rainy day, but getting close to Christmas, loving it.
It is a rainy day today. It's raining cats and dogs, but that's okay because we're still getting paid. It is the first day of winter, and we got 4 jobs on the schedule. The first one is a small pickup. The second one is a small pickup. The third one is an estimate, and the fourth one is a full load. Now, you ready to get this money?
Let's get it.
Let's get this money.
And the weather outside, 54 degrees. So the first job came off of Facebook.
So you're probably wondering, how do I stay busy in the wintertime? It ain't no secret. You got to go 10 times harder. So if you're just posting 1 Craigslist ad a week, I would do 10. If you're just passing out 20 door hangers a week, I would do 200. If you're just stopping by 1 real estate office a day and introducing yourself, I would stop by 10. You got to put in the work to get the work. It's not going to just fall in your lap. The first job of the day is done, and let me tell you, that's the definition of easy money. And I came across a super cool statue, and we don't take concrete. By seeing this thing, the lady wanted us to take it, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna give that to my mother for Christmas. And Christmas is like in what, 3 days? So yeah. I'm chancy as hell.
3 days. Well, I got you something too.
What'd you give me?
There's a duck one I found.
Oh wow. So we're at the gas station right now. We're gonna do a review. Julio was in there about to buy a Herbe Mate and a Rockstar, but what happened when you were in there?
Well, I was going in there and I was like, what should I choose? And then a guy, he worked for this company, he's all like, well, if you want to try a good energy drink, try Accelerator. They said Travis Kelce's promoting it, and he's like, well, they have different flavors, and I was like, you know what, I'll try this flavor right here and see how it is.
So let's give it a review. You go first.
I'm kind of nervous. Dang, tastes like a rocket pop, just like on the can.
My turn. No BS. I'm gonna keep it real. Let's see if it's good or not.
You tell me.
Let's see. Oh shoot, the pinky's up, Julio. Anything that's free always tastes way better. Damn, this is hella good, Julio, for real. So check it out. The guy's actually gonna give us some more. He's seen us recording the video, and he got some more samples. Julio, tell me when all the samples.
Let's see what kind they have, huh?
And you know, here at Sonoma Strong Hauling, anything free, we like even more. Check it out. The Julio's out there getting wet for them free energy drinks.
Couple samples. He's really cool. He didn't have to do that, but he asked if we wanted to try different kinds, and got 3 more flavors.
So you know what that means, right?
We gotta try all of them?
We finna be cracked out today, for real. I'm just saying. And it's about damn time. Gas prices are finally coming down out here in California. We are paying $4.49 per gallon, if you can see that. And I'm not gonna tell you what diesel is because we run gas trucks out here in Cali.
Usually on Mondays or Tuesdays we siphon gas, but today I told the boss, man, we got to use this card today, business card. So sorry about that.
So now we're heading out to pick up the heaviest TV in the whole entire world. Are you ready, Julio?
With one of these, anything's possible.
Let's do it. Check this out. Since it's close to Christmas, we're rolling around like this. Damn, Julio, you didn't even need to wear the mask. It looks just like you, for real.
It does. I like it.
So we're at the next job of the day, and we're going to show you guys the heaviest TV in the whole entire world, and that is a Trinitron TV. A Trinitron Sony TV. They can weigh up to 300 and something pounds. Some of them are lighter, but most of them are super heavy, and especially if they're in an entertainment center and you got to pick them up and put them on a dolly by yourself. You will pull a back to you, so always bring backup. Now, Julio, are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm going to put my back brace on so my back tees don't fall out. Let's do this.
I'm ready. I'm gonna put them on my back.
He's full of shit, just so you guys know. What happened? You can't pick it up or what?
No, I lied. I said I was gonna put on my back, but it's like it's heavy. You weren't playing.
So just like that, job is complete. And Julio, that wasn't that bad, was it?
No. What? 2 minutes? 3 minutes?
Yeah, it was a lighter one too, around what, 140 pounds, I would say.
Yeah, around. Good thing it wasn't one of the bigger ones, like 300 pounds.
Yeah. So we're heading to the next job. It's an estimate, and we're taking you guys with us. So make sure you smash that like button if you love me and the Julio. What are you doing?
I want all the Christmas presents. So we're at the next job, and it's just an estimate, and how he found us was word of mouth.
Now we have a special announcement to make. This video is actually sponsored by Brunt Boots. And these are the most comfortablest boots I ever worn. And if you want to get a pair of boots like Mr. Matt Vic, the JoJo, and the Julio, go to the link down below and make sure you put the code Sonoma10 in to save some money. Because we're all about saving cash and picking up trash. So let's check out the job, and you might need to rewind this a few times, but everything with the little orange sticker dot needs to go. So leave a comment down below how many loads you think are here. And if we land this job, it's gonna be a great paying job. So yeah, leave a comment down below. How many loads do you think are here? You see those little orange dots? That means it needs to go. So leave it in the comments. So just like that, we locked another one in, and the guy actually had 1-800-GUY-JUNK swing by there before. And who's more expensive, he said?
He said, in all honesty, we were a little bit more expensive just because we had one more load added on though.
So we got the job. We'll be going there on the 28th. The junk guys keep blessing us, and now we're switching trucks and heading to the next job, which is a full load. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
So I think it might be good for the business, Julio, if I run in front of traffic like this. What do you think?
Do it.
Here we go. Pray for me. Getting hot here, Julio. Oh my gosh. Do you guys have some trash you want me to haul away? Give us a call at Sonoma Strong Hauling, 707-889-9727. And we'll come by and grab your trash. And Julio, why you got TV back here, bro? You been taking boo-boos on the side of the road or something? You always gotta stay ready.
Hey, no, those are actually to throw at people's houses.
That's even better. Working on energy drink number 15. And let me tell you, Julio, I am ready to work. Seriously.
Can I sit in the car on the next job?
For sure. Just record me. I'm gonna do it hella fast.
Woo! That shit's good.
Do you guys want to see a scared Mexican American driving on the back roads? Check this out.
I'm scared. I hate windy roads. I hate driving through these roads where you're at the edge and it feels like you're gonna fall off a mountain. I hate that.
Julio, pay attention!
Are you trying to die today?
Come on! What the hell?
I'm sorry. I'll keep focused. I'm sorry. I can't talk right now, guys. I'm sorry.
Christmas. And if you are feeling like treating yourself this Christmas and helping your business, you should give Workies a try. Click on the link in the description down below. It's also a write-off, but it will change the way you do business. So we are at the next job of the day, and Matt and Julio have a full load. And this job came from a bandit sign.
So job is complete and we're going to a different dumps we never been to because we're in Calistoga and we hardly ever work out here, and the dumps was like, what, 3 minutes away. So we're gonna try it out. Hopefully it's cheaper than Santa Rosa. We're about to find out.
Sorry, I'm trying to concentrate.
So far it's $127 a ton out here, and we gotta wear a damn safety vest, and they're renting them to us for $4. I need triple extra large. No, double X, just double X. Yeah,
Extra large should be fine for me.
double X.
Thank you.
I look damn good, for real. Check me out. Sexy as hell.
Thank you.
Damn, you're ugly. And you got a big forehead and a long ass neck.
You know what that means? No, it's just.
I do know what that means. So, Julio, what's your prediction of the dump fee on this one?
I say 65.
I'm gonna say $89.50. So let's find out.
Okay, I'll win.
You ain't gonna win.
I mean, I weigh like 200 pounds, so I'll probably, yeah.
You weigh 225. Don't lie to the viewers. You know your new nickname, right?
You won.
It's Gordito Puto.
I lost.
What was it?
135.
135?
Yeah.
Holy
I think it
shit.
would have been cheaper at Santa Rosa, right?
It would have been cheaper in Santa Rosa. Ese fato is 135, hey.
Who whooped us?
Who lost us? But we got some vests up. We looking clean, baby.
I'm gonna keep mine on. And this is why you gotta and this is why you gotta love Sonoma County. Look at this beautiful scenery right here.
Yeah, Julio, the flowers are real pretty out here. So a slow day turned into a busy day. we're heading to the next job because another job came in, and it's in Bennett Valley, California. It's actually Santa Rosa, if you don't know Santa Rosa. It's the suburbs. Suburbs.
Nice over there. So now we got like a long drive though, 34 minutes back.
You call that long neck? You call that long neck? Come on now. That's not that far.
I'm just like,
Well, 34 minutes. Oh my gosh. We gotta stop and get some snacks.
I'm down for that. I'm just
I know you are. You see that dad bod right there? It's getting bigger by the minute. Not by the day, by the damn minute.
That's what happens when you love burritos, pastas, pizza, and then your dad catches up to you. So for all your fathers out there, watch out. It will happen to you after time.
And he's turning 30 years old next year. He has no idea what's gonna happen once he hits 30 years old. That dad bod is gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger. Trust me, I know. So check it out, we're done with the last job of the day. So make sure you smash that like button if you love me and the Julio, and we'll catch you on the next one. And next time we'll be more serious.
Try to. No, we will. We will. Yeah, because today was more of a just us having fun because we haven't done videos in a while. But yeah, we'll get back to
Educational
Yeah.
and a little bit of funny stuff. Educational and a little bit of funny stuff. Now get your ass out of the car.
Merry Christmas, you guys.
Merry Christmas and Happy New
New
Year.
Year's.
All right, brother.
All right.
See you tomorrow.
Have a good evening.
All
Bye,
right, you too.
guys.